Okay guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Park Tech YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, we will learn about how to use the webcam within ch.net. So how we can do that? First of all, we need to click on File, on New, and then click on Project. Here we will click on Visual CH, Windows Forms application, and here we will write webcam_000. Then click on OK. Okay, now this is our Windows form of ch.net. So here we will go for one push button, okay, which is used for to start all the process, and one combo box. So we will take this combo box, and in the last we need one picture box for camera. So we just need these three visual controls. After it, we need to double click on this push button, and we will go to private void button1 underscore click callback function. And when somebody used to click the button, this callback, all the statements or all the code within these two brackets will get executed. Okay, so here we will write our first class that is called as filter info collection. Okay, filter info collection, and we can see that compiler is not recognizing this thing. Okay, why it is so? Because we have to import two things. Okay, we will write using system.forge.video. Okay, this is our first class. Okay, now this is system.aforge.video. Okay, and system.aforge.video.distribution. Okay, so here we will go to console manager, and here we will write install package. Which package? Okay, we will write package and this thing and install. Okay, install, check the spelling, install package, and here we will write aforge.video. Okay, aforge.video. So click it out. Okay, wait, okay, it is okay, now it is completely installed. So system.aforge.video, it is installed. Okay, now install package, video aforge. Okay, aforge dot video dot direct show. Okay, so we will click it out, and it is also added. Okay, now we will write aforge.video. Okay, wait, it must be capital like this, and using okay, we just don't need to write any system. Okay, I think that direct aforge.video will work. Using aforge.video and using aforge.video.direct show. These two are NuGet packages, just like libraries. Okay, a third-party libraries are there. So now you can see that our compiler has recognized this class, that is filter info collection, because it has changed its color to the light blue. So filter info collection is equal. Okay, don't write anything, just write FIC, filter info collection FIC, and then we will write video capture device, okay, video capture device, and we will write it as VCD, okay, VCD. So these two are now classes, and FIC is the variable which is which belongs to this class, and VCD is also a variable which is representing video capture device, okay. So now we will write FIC, that is filter info collection, is equal to new filter info collection, okay. Now what is this thing actually? New filter info collection used to filter certain things which the system used to possess. Like this is just like that if you want to select certain things, or if you want to request for certain things, our filter will check that either their thing is according to our need or not. So because here we are just going to control the webcam, which is obviously an inbuilt part of the Windows, so that is why we have to filter certain things out. So we will write filter category dot video input device, that is video input device. We need this video input device, okay. So we have right there that we just need video input device for our use, okay. And all these things are then passed to FIC, that is filter, okay, that is filter info collection. Okay, now after this is done, we will call a loop that is called as for each loop. It used to iterate, it just used to work like what is called as the for loop, but it is just deals with lists and these things, so that is why we are just use it. So we will write for each. It will iterate one by one through all the things within the list, okay. So filter info dev in FIC. So we will write filter info. Now we are going for one by one through all the information which the filter used to give to us. Filter info dev in FIC. Now what is this? Dev is the device. So we will, this is our like a runtime variable, you can say. In FIC we will search for device in all the information which is actually a video device, okay. So all the information will be searched properly, will be filtered out, and it will only show us the video input devices, okay. So we will write now, after getting this thing, we will write combo box 1 dot items dot add d dot name that we want to, that d dot name, okay, which is actually dev, okay. We will write dev dot name because we have declared dev, okay. Now we will write a little bit like this, and when we will click it out, okay, code is running properly. Now we will write, now in combo box, all the items which are having some input, which are just inside our system for input video, okay, information. So all they will be we will going to represent them inside this combo box 1 dot items, okay. Rather than items, we can write just a single item, just a combo box 1, okay, items, okay, combo box 1 dot selected index is equal to 0. We will write combo box 1 dot selected index is equal to 0, okay. Now we have selected the index 0, okay, and we will write a VCD is equal to, which is actually video capture device, VCD is equal to Okay, what we have declared video capture device as VCD. Okay, VCD is equal to new video capture device. Now we will make an object of that class, new video capture device, new video capture device. Okay, so VCD is equal to new video capture device. Now, okay, now all the informations inside this video, now this new function, this new keyword will make VCD is the perfect or permanent object of this video capture device class. Okay, VCD is equal to new video capture device, and we will write VCD is equal to new video capture device. Now inside the brackets we will write filter info collection, that is FIC. We need to write filter info or FIC. We will just write FIC and then these brackets, and we will write combo box 1 FIC combo box 1 dot selected index dot selected index. Okay, dot selected index FIC combo box 1 dot. Okay, one more thing that we need to write filter info collection combo box 1 dot selected index. Okay, we need to write the selected index inside these square brackets. So combo box 1 dot selected index dot moniker string. Moniker string is just like what is called as WMI type thing. Okay, WMI type object. Okay, so it will represent our now our integrated camera has been fetched out. Okay, and represented inside the combo box. Okay, now this is okay. Now we will write VCD dot new frame. Now we are dealing with the frames which are captured by our webcam plus. Now because it is not a single frame, a lot of frames will come one by one, so we need to write final frame underscore new frame underscore new frame. Okay, and VCD dot start. Now we have to define this function, that is final frame underscore new frame. This must be inside a simple function. Okay, now apart from this and this private void button 1, we will write here private void final frame underscore new frame underscore new frame. Okay, final frame underscore new frame, and we also need to define its body, declare its body, and here we will write objects sender comma new frame objects sender. Okay, comma new frame event arguments equal to event arguments. So we will write new frame event arguments event args. So these are event arguments, and here these are objects. Okay, wait, we need to write object. Okay, objects. Okay, so object sender. Okay, it's not object, it's object sender. And new frame argument like this. Okay, now we will write here picture box 1. Now all the frames will be shifted to picture box 1 dot image is equal to bitmap is equal to bitmap event args dot frame and clone clone. Okay, now this is our whole code. So dot clone. Okay, now we will run our code, and now you can see that. Okay, wait, it is, I can't focus on myself. Okay, it is not like this. Okay, but you can see it with okay, you can see a little bit. So hopefully you got the concept that how you can integrate a webcam within ch.net. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.